want to know about the game behind the game.
Yes, and the fandom, the craze.
Nice, Aparna, nice.
For us at Amazon, everything is customer backwards. Customers are really at the front and center of all the decisions that we make. And the fact that we are launching season 3 is a testament to the fact that the show has received so much love and adulation, so much fandom around it. It's really become a part of the cultural zeitgeist of this country.
As we say that a great dish has a secret sauce. What's that special secret when it comes to making a show like Inside Edge, which has resonated so well with the audiences in India and beyond, spanning 3 seasons or 3rd season coming up?
Well, the secret sauce is the perfect mix and the perfect balance of cricket and entertainment. This country loves its cricket. This country loves its entertainment on screen. And Inside Edge brings those two together perfectly. So I mean, there's drama, there's thrill, there's sporting action. So the entire kind of up and down and emotional upheaval and disappointment that it can bring when you're watching a game. And some really, really fantastically written characters and character arcs. So I feel it is engaging for audiences across all ages, across all genders. And that's what really, really makes it tick. I mean, the fact, like Aparna just mentioned, that we are in season 3 is really a testament in itself. That people have enjoyed this world, have enjoyed these characters, they are wanting to see more. Unfortunately, the lockdown didn't allow us to show it to them a little bit earlier than we would have liked. But here we are, and now that things are coming back to normal, we hope that you will enjoy this the way you've enjoyed the first 2.
So the experience is going to be bigger and better this time with season 3.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Thank you, thank you. Vivek, Vikrant has seen so much happening in front of his eyes. Now, what do we expect? What is something new from Vikrant onto the table or onto the stadium or off the stadium this time?
Well, I think when Karan shared season 3, the script, I read it and I called him back, and I remember and this is going to sound like a plug, but it's not. I was like, I was totally at a loss of words. I was like, damn, this is so good. To me personally, and I think a lot of us will agree here, I think that Inside Edge season 3 is the best season yet. What do you guys think? Absolutely. Yeah? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I feel that with Vikrant, he's such a powerful character, and he's seen that, that success, that failure, the betrayal, and he's kind of rising back from the ashes. He's kind of that phoenix rising back from the ashes, that wounded tiger on the hunt. And I love that about him in this season. I love that this means so much to him, even personally, because for the first time in 3 seasons, you get to see what makes Vikrant who he is. Because somebody who's that extreme always has some sort of an extreme experience going on behind it. So you get to see the man behind the mask. You get to see why he's the way he is and why this is all so important to him. So I think fans of Inside Edge and fans of Vikrant Dhawan, people who've been excited and hitting me up on social media, are going to be able to see a whole different side to Vikrant Dhawan, which I'm really excited about.
I would say, okay, bhai sahab. Wish you all the best for that. Richa, sorry, मैं जब बोलता हूँ तो पहली बार बोलता हूँ तो ऐसे चिल्ला रहा हूँ लग रहा है, but
You missed the pause.
I missed the pause.
There's got to be a deep pregnant pause. It's going to be like, okay,
Okay.
pause, bhai saab.
I'll do it again.
And then
Okay.
little chin nod maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Bhai sahab.
Brilliant. I'm seriously feeling insecure right now.
Thank you. Richa, you've been a part of the season since the first season. What is it that keeps Zarina going?
Zarina?
Zarina.
Zarina. So, I guess revenge. She's quite. She started off as somewhat of a naive character in season 1. In season 2, she had shades of grey. And in season 3, I think she will have fully formed shades of grey that she thinks are white. And I think sometimes, some kind of, revenge is a lazy form of grief, they say. So I think she's somewhat sad and hurt about what had happened in the past. So she's trying to, I see you nodding, Tanu. She's very focused on getting what she wants. She feels she's been wronged, and that keeps Zarina going. What keeps me going with this show is I'm tremendously excited about the format. I remember when this show first came to me, I felt really fortunate, but also everybody around me told me, कि, "Arey, web series, hi, career khatam ho gaya," all that. I want to ask where. Anyway, so I'm just saying, for me, this show really perfectly bridged the gap between what the urban Indian wanted to watch. And, you know, maybe not everybody can relate to Saas Bahu, no offense. And not everybody wants to only watch international content that is dubbed in. So this provided something to a whole class of people that were neither here nor there. So I'm really excited about the format, about what the OTT space is doing for the industry, what the writing of series is like with book adaptations and so many things happening now. And I think as an actor also, it's really fun to get to, I'm not who I was 6 months ago. So why does Zarina also doesn't have to be who she was a year ago, you know? And that journey is very exciting for me.
So the different layers of Zarina is what we're going to look forward to in season 3 as well.
Zarina is kanda,
Zarina is?
onion.
The peeling of the layers.
Oh, peeling of the layer.
High fund hai thoda.
High fund.
Sorry
thoda
for
sa.
the joke that didn't quite land.
Inside edge में से bouncer कहेंगे ना? थोड़ा bouncer.
Googly.
Googly. Thank you so much. But thank you and wishing you all the best. And Shayani, you're always super enthu when it comes to stats, analysis, jo bhi hota hai, you're always excited. But what is the most exciting thing, according to you, about season 3?
You know, it was so long ago, I have forgotten kind of. But for me, the most exciting part of, stop laughing please, most exciting part.
She doesn't have a laptop here, no? So she always was always getting all the info right. Yahan se.
Okay, concentrate guys, focus, let me focus. You know,
She's turned red.
so the most exciting part of, about Rohini, for me, my director here, sitting next to me, just prompted, is, I think, that Rohini goes and looks for her family. And for the first time in 3 seasons, you see the history behind Vayu and Rohini's family, and you know, it becomes much more personal and hence much more layered. You understand where these two brother, sister, you know, where have they come from? You know, how have they reached here? What has been their journey and the reason behind, you know, the people they are. And it's extremely well written, and I have to say this at this point, that Karan, and with the writer's room that we have, which is incredible, and with the director each year, and this year Kanishk, all the parts are so well written, but especially the women parts, and like Karan was saying, they are incredibly well-rounded and empowered, and they have their own agency, which is, you know, which is not something you see every day. So that, and also the very exciting part is, you know, we have our old family, and we have new entrants, which is Kanishk and Akshay. So yeah, we have a lot of new team members, which is incredible, and you must see it on 3rd of December to know more.
And I would vouch, second the fact that you said that there are empowering women, and you guys have just done justice to the characters, and all the best. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
3 cheers to the girl power. Tanuj,
Yes.
you've been apart from season 1. What has changed so far for Vayu Raghavan, and why?
Firstly, his age. I mean, no, jokes apart, I was 29 when I started shooting for the first season. I'm going to be 35 now, so a lot has changed in 6 years in my life, right? I mean, like, you grow, you evolve, you mature. Okay, that might be debatable, but we try. And I feel somehow you are able to tap into something inside of you and give that to your character, and vice versa. And also because of Karan and the amazing set of writers that we've had season after season, they keep throwing Vayu into these interesting new scenarios and situations, you know, where he always has his back against the wall. And it's truly been fascinating. I actually joke with my friends. I think that Vayu is my best imaginary friend that I never had, because as I see him growing from season to season, I see myself as well. And it's very rare for an actor to get the chance to portray a role time after time, because many of us here do web series as well as films. But the one massive advantage of doing a web series is that you get to revisit that character and just see which way the wind blows. So it's been fascinating, and yeah.
Yes. Vayu indeed is a super cool personality, and we love Vayu. So
Thank you so
and
much.
all the
Thank
best.
you.
And to the new entrant, Akshay, how would you describe Rohit Shanbag?
Rohit is, as you said earlier, Captain Cool. I think that he has a complete contrast to Vayu Raghavan's personality. And actually, first, I'd really like to thank Karan and Kanish, but I had never really played cricket before, personally. And they trusted me to, go off and learn, and gave me an incredible coach, Prashant, and I worked day and night with him. And I just really, it's really thanks to them that they trusted me enough to go work on this thing, because Rohit is a great batsman. So yeah, that's the gist of the guy.
Wishing you all the best, and a big shout out to Prashant Kataria as well.
Absolutely, man. He's fantastic.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Let's have a huge round of applause for the cast makers of Inside Edge Season 3.